Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fold rear seats in BMW 3 Series F30. Release the seat back latch on the outer edge and fold the seat forward. If the headrest blocks movement, press the release and lower it first. For split seats, fold the smaller section for extra cargo room or both for large items. Keep hands clear of hinges and have a step stool ready for heavy items. First, prepare your cabin and cargo area so folding goes smoothly. Slide front seats forward and remove loose items that could jam the latch or damage upholstery. Stow child seats according to the manual or disconnect attachments if needed. Check for floor mats or cargo that could obstruct the seatbacks. Confirm the parking brake is set so the car does not roll while you adjust seats and load items afterward. Use the correct latch or strap and avoid forcing the mechanism to prevent damage. Pull the release firmly and guide the seat back down with both hands, keeping fingers clear of seams and hinges. For the 40/20/40 split, fold the center or side sections according to the item size you plan to carry. After folding, press the folded section to confirm it is secure and flat before placing heavier items on top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.